Hello again, this is Rob Cavanaugh with Guarantee RV here in very sunny Junction City, Oregon. I'd like to introduce you to this very nice Thor A.C.E 29.3 floor plan. It's a great floor plan for a family. It's got lots of space. It's a 2019. It's got an outdoor kitchen, an outdoor TV. It's in great shape. Let's go have a look on the inside. Okay, now that we're inside from front to rear, you can see this very nice front area. You got the drop-down bunk, and that's great for kids or guests. You can see you have a huge center console display with the backup camera and navigation. And of course, this is a 2019, so it has the tried and true Ford Triton V10 gas engine, plenty of towing capacity here. And you can see also on the passenger side, there's actually a little doggy window and a desk, which will fold back on the passenger seat. Of course, with the Class A's, these driver's seat and the passenger seat rotate, and so they are part of the living room space. As we move back a little bit, you can see a 40-inch TV up there. Very nice viewing angles. You've got the sofa, which converts to a bed, and then you have this very comfortable dinette, which also converts to a bed. You can see the hardwood floors. They're very nice. Actually made out of, it's actually linoleum, but looks very nice, very easy to clean, good for pets and dogs and cats and things like that. Very nice, easy to clean. Big, deep stainless steel sink. Nice counter space here. You've got the microwave, oven and stove combo. As we move back, a very light and bright bathroom. Nice size shower. Nice refrigerator and freezer. And as we finally move back into the bedroom, you see this aftermarket mattress. It's a queen size. It's beautiful, probably retailed at some point for $1,000 or so. And that comes with this RV. As you can see in this bedroom, it's a nice east-west angled bed, so you can lean up against the bed. The headboard there with plenty of light you can see. You can read. You got counter space there. It's just a great floor plan. There's also a 32-inch TV for your viewing pleasure in the bedroom, and lots of cabinet space and even a small desk here. Rob Cavanaugh, thank you for having a look at this RV. Come to Guarantee out in Junction City. Ask for me, Rob Cavanaugh. Hope to see you soon.